snoring like a pig, just look at like a frog. That he is, oh, that he is a frog. Look, how can a human being, a full grown man, snoring like this? Eh? Look at I'm just coming from the children's room. They are still wearing their clothes. They've been wearing since some morning. Eh? This man cannot even make them have their bath. Eh? What kind of person is this? He came now. Like, let's go and do gym. Come, let's job. He's making me a lazy person. But look at the lazy person here. Eh? Nonsense. I beg you, please move this body out of the way. Let me lie down. Look, John, what kind of thing is this? My friend, carry this leg out of here. Rubbish. Eh? You cannot have this one. What kind of marriage is this one? No job. Behave yourself, oh, me and you will have problems in this house. You don't want my problems this morning. I beg, move your leg. Look at children everywhere. Everybody's just like that. Eh? What kind of thing is this? For how long will I continue? How long? Rubbish man.
Talking drum and guitar. You like it? Talking drum and guitar.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up. What are you doing? What are you doing by this time of night? Eh? Children, say. Eh? Children.
What are you doing here?
Daddy, we are sorry. We were dancing, talking drum and guitar.
Eh?
We are dancing,
Talking drum.
Guitar.
And guitar.
Guitar.
Is you now?
Daddy, Daddy, you were beating the talking drum while mommy was playing the guitar.
Which mommy, my friend? What are you talking about?
Are you mad?
You are the one. Is it not you? Every time you snoring like a frog there. I've been telling you that you snore too much. You even want these children, they started dancing in your room. Are you not ashamed of
You are
yourself?
all possessed.
They are not possessed. You are possessed. You are the one that is possessed.
Oh.
Eh? How can you tell my children that
I have
you are
said
possessed?
this in this
You are
house.
the one that is possessed.
Like mother,
Eh?
like daughter.
Like
You
mother,
are
like
all
daughter.
possessed.
You are possessed.
Hey, the one who
You
equals
are the one that is
to.
possessed.
Eh?
My dear, leave him. He will be there snoring like frog. So I came inside this room and not peace of mind. Oh yeah, enjoy the bed alone and it's for you. Sleep alone. Nonsense.
Hey. Nah.